Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So for today, I'm gonna show you which is better, WordPress or Wix. So let's begin with WordPress. With WordPress, it's actually quite easy to create a website using WordPress. It's not that difficult, but there are a lot of plugins that you need to activate in order for you to access certain features. And to some, especially those who are on a tight budget or who are using or who are just still getting in to website building, that might present as a disadvantage. However, in terms of tools and functions, everything here is really okay, and everything here is available. You have a calendar here, a custom HTML available. You also have other widgets here, blog post, content carousel, and there are also various themes here that you can apply. So that's really great. But what I think the what makes Wix really stand out is this, their AI creation. So AI is already integrated with Wix, and that gives them a technological advantage per se. So let's type in here. Tell me what your site's about. I'm selling. My site is about my food products. So once you type that in, automatically they will have an idea ready for you, and they will keep on asking you, what's your name, your food business? And let's just add some random name here. So it really gets to know you better. It doesn't just generate it instantly. Instead, it gives you an idea based on your thoughts or based on your target. So like this, can you tell me more about your target audience? I'm targeting Filipino audience. And from there, as you can see, it asks again, do you have any specific goals for reaching your audience, like increasing online sales or building brand awareness? Building brand awareness. So it gives you a clear target, a clear goal. It helps you as well in establishing those goals. So that's really helpful. It's something that WordPress doesn't have. Although, yes, with WordPress, you have much more freedom to do whatever you want to. But I just think for beginners, especially, having AI like this is really, really helpful. So you can also skip the questions if you're like not too fond of it, or if you just want to like go ahead and skip some of the questions because you don't have an answer. So, and yeah, once we're all set, just click on go to dashboard and then it'll prompt up. So the thing is, when it comes to pricing, I think Wix is much more, not affordable, but much more reasonable considering the products and everything else that you can get from it. So as you can see, it already made you a custom domain, so you can already check if that one's available, and it is. So you can make it yours already by continuing with a premium plan, or you can just buy the domain only. As you can see, this is already for 2 years, by the way. So it also gives out a lot of discounts, so that's really helpful. And finally, in terms of website builder, what I like about Wix is the fact that it's somewhat similar to Canva, and I'll show you why. Apart from the features, of course, apart from your main features, there are also a bunch of courses and lessons that you can take here online. So you don't really have to go to like Google into search how to do this, how to do that. No, they teach you how to create a website. They also teach you how to manage your business and grow your brand, all according to Wix. They also give out certifications and they have a video library. So that's really helpful. That's something that if you're a beginner, definitely it's something you want to take a look at. And then yeah, everything's here as well. Getting paid, invoices, you can easily connect and set up pay links right here. You don't need any plugins or whatnot. You can just create the link here yourself, as you can see. And apart from that, you can also create price codes. You can have more portfolios. There are also plugins like apps right here, which are very easy to search and they're categorized as well. Well, WordPress is also categorized, but there are a ton in terms of Wix. And then apart from this, they have a mobile application that you can link with your PC. And that's incredible, especially if you're on the go. So at the same time, you can see how this looks like in your mobile app. They can also help you with marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, Google Ads. And they have analytics, real time analytics right here, insights, sessions, highlights, and whatnot. So, yeah, you get a lot from Wix. And the best thing about this is the fact that um, we click on design site right here. You can either use AI to like create a template or you can just select a template. So for example, we'll select say this one, edit. So if you can see, it's somewhat similar to Canva. So if you're like me who's familiar with Canva, definitely you won't have a hard time navigating Wix compared to WordPress right here. Although WordPress is also kind of easy to use, but with Wix, you just get more of that vibe and that modern feeling. Like here, you can add sections, pages, menu, media, and whatnot. And yeah, definitely the AI feature, that's what stands out the most. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you differentiate Wix with WordPress. It doesn't really matter. It depends on what you want to utilize, where you're comfortable. But yeah, if you're a beginner, you're looking for something more flexible, something more easy to use, then I suggest you go with Wix. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech